Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new series which is called the makeup series, and if you want to know how I have created this look, then you can keep on watching. I'm doing this series, I know you know that I am an artist and I do designs, I do creativity work, but I got lots of DMs from Instagram, and all my friends were requesting me to do a video on my makeup and how do I do my makeup, how do I relate with my paintings and all, and the looks, they like it very much. So I said, why not to start a series of makeup for you all guys. And if you want to know the link of the Instagram, the links are given below. And further ado, please keep on watching. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share with your friends. So these are some of the photos I have taken from camera and my mobile. So just wanted to know that how it looks, and it is a fresh look and normal, like you can do it normal daily anytime. It's a really beautiful look. And here I start with my PAC cosmetic primer, pore filling primer. This primer is really beautiful. It just filters my skin, and it looks really beautiful. Then I go with my little bit of Farsali oil, rose gold oil. It just absorbs well and it gives me a blur and smooth moisturizing effect, and it has so many properties with it, and I love. Here I use my MAC strobe cream. It is so beautiful. Trust me guys, if you want to buy any of strobe creams, then please go for MAC, and this is skin like. It's so beautiful. This is a Loreal infallible 24 hours foundation. I am in shade golden beige, I think, yeah. And it's a beautiful foundation, full coverage foundation, but I have just used one pump and I've just spread all over my face, and it has a beautiful coverage. You can go on and on, but it doesn't cake also. And this is a beautiful skin like foundation, and it's beautiful. It looks real. I always blend my foundation with the beauty blender, and it gives me a proper and beautiful canvas. And also I go with my brush like two ways. I am just 100% sure like it's blended or no, so I use my brush. Here I'm using a concealer of Maybelline. It's in the shade 25, and this is a little bit darker shade for my skin tone, so I just wanted to cancel out all the darkness and all, so I use this one. So brighten up, and I use a brush also after blending with the beauty blender, and I do it always. I do a double check such as. So next I use whenever I want to brighten, I use Maybelline concealer only in the shade 10 and 15. I mix them two and then apply it, and I apply with the same brush. This brush is really nice, and I bake this concealer with the Himalaya baby powder, and I just use it for now such, because here it was not like going out or something, so I just use that. Here I use my contour of Lotus, and this is a beautiful shade for me, and I have just been using it. It's beautiful. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. These palettes are so beautiful. This is a shade which I showed you in the picture, and I just dust out after applying on my lid. I just dust out all the powder, because I don't want that powdery effect, so I just dust out. And after that I use the second shade, which is given on the picture. So that is the shade I'm using, and just blend it, just put the same shade for your lower lash line. And I'm just using a not very fluffy, but it's a normal brush. If you want any links, that I'll give everything below. So I'm just blending. This is a simple look. I'm using this light pink shimmery shade for my corners of my eyes, and this is not glittery. This just smooths on very beautifully. I'm using the Lotus contour shade for my nose also, and I'm just going to blend it. So everything is like blending, so that's important. Now I go with this Smashbox spray. And trust me guys, if you want any beautiful spray, go with it. And just damp it all over your face with the beauty blender. I do it like this, and I just damp. Then I'm going to fill up my eyebrows. This is a pomade eyebrow gel, and I love gels. And I feel I means eyebrow liners are not meant for me, so eyeliner gels are beautiful. They are just amazing. So just fill up your brows, and this is the measurement I always take, and it just helps me to give me a proper look. And this is a blush of stars. This is a peach type brush. And this is highlighter of Maybelline. This is a beautiful highlighter of Maybelline. So this is a beautiful highlighter, and you just blend it. This is the eyeliner which was given by my mother, and this is not a brand something, it is from Amazon, and this is beautiful eyeliner. It just glides on so beautifully, stays long lasting, stays full day. So this is just like one key what I love so much. Like, I will give you the links below, so don't worry. It is just a beautiful eyeliner. I just love it. And this gives you a very beautiful wing line also, so it's really beautiful. All the product links I'll give it below, so you can just check out. Please go and check my description box, guys. Add on the same shimmery shade what we use for the inner corners for your brows, highlight, and just blend it very good. This is the mascara from Maybelline Sensational, and I personally don't like it, but it was just a day shoot. I was not going out, and also I just used it, but I am not so big fan of this mascara. It was just use. And here is the lipstick which I love. All my makeup looks, you will see this lipstick, and this has been asked with so many my Instagram DMs. They DM me and they have me asked me, so many people. Like, this is the Clay Crush Maybelline lipstick, and this is creamy matte. So this is the Clay Crush one, and this looks beautiful and on Indian skin tones. So if you are looking for this nudie and not like really nudie look, and so this is a beautiful shade. And okay, so this is my final look, how it comes. And I'm just setting my hair. Yeah, this is the style how I set my hair, and I just turn it, curl it, so it just becomes curly. So this is the look. I hope you like my look, and you must be waiting for more looks, and see how flawless it looks. And so okay, I hope you like it. I hope you like my look. I'm coming with the new looks and new creativity. If you want to see these all of my creativity looks, then please keep on watching, and also subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share with your friends.